are you, dear family of my channel? Welcome to my class. Last time I explained about the combination reactions. Okay, combination reaction means a reaction in which two or more substances will combine together to form a single substance. What I'm going to explain for today is decomposition reaction. That is the opposite process of combination reaction. Decomposition reaction means a reaction in which a single substance is formally decomposed into two or more simpler substances, maybe elements or compounds or a mixture of them. Okay, for instance, it can be given with example that is AB is a compound which is split into two different substances, A and B. A and B may be elements or maybe compounds. It depends on the type of the compound. There are examples. For example, mercury 2 oxide decompose when it is heated. It's decomposed into mercury metal and oxygen gas. Potassium chlorate decompose on heating to give potassium chloride plus oxygen gas. This one is element. Here, this one's the product are different types. This is a compound. This is an element. Okay. When you come to the experimental part, experiment 1.2, investigation of decomposition reaction. The objective is to investigate the decomposition of copper to carbonates, and the apparatus used a test tube, stand, burner, cork, delivery tube. These things are useful substances which are to be fulfilled, and the chemicals which are going to be used for this experiment are copper 2 carbonate and lime water. Lime water means calcium hydroxide. Okay, the question is, before I'm just going to discuss the questions, let you follow what looks like the experimental observations. Okay, questions and answers are provided. As you observed the experimental parts, the decomposition process, what are the just substances which are decomposed and what are the substances which are formed, will be here just answered. What was the color of copper 2 carbonate before heating? Okay, as you observed, it was having light blue solid substance. Okay, just you can answer the question like this one. Those light blue, that which is compared to carbonate. What was the color after heating and then cooling? Inside the test tube, what you observe, this one is heated with Bunsen burner or a burner flame. It's converted into black substance, and the gas evolved during this process is just passing through the delivery tube into colorless lime water. Lime water means calcium hydroxide solution. Therefore, the colorless solution turns milky color. Okay, just what you observe in the process of observation or reaction of decomposition of the copper to carbonate. Okay, this one's, as you can see, it was a black substance remained in the test tube. After this light blue substance is burned, the black substance remained in the test tube and the gas evolved out was checked with lime water. What change did you observe in the lime water? Lime water means colorless solution of calcium hydroxide. Therefore, since the gas passing through it makes reaction with it, a colorless solution turns to milky color due to the formation of the calcium carbonates. Okay, therefore the substance from the colorless solution of this one was changed to milky due to the formation of this calcium carbonate. Therefore, the equation, which is balanced equation of the reaction what we observe in the above process, are written here. Copper to carbonate is heated. This delta is a symbol for just heat, and it gives a black substance and the gas evolved out. Okay, this was light blue, this was a black substance remained in the test tube, and the gas is just colorless gas, but the gas is or was checked with colorless solution of lime water. Lime water means calcium hydroxide, and reacted with this colorless gas which is produced in the decomposition of this copper to carbonate. Okay, this was changed into milky. This is due to the formation of calcium carbonates. Okay, this was just the part in the decomposition reaction. Okay, also you observed in the laboratory the decomposition of the hydrogen peroxide. Okay, just it will be provided after this discussion. Okay, ያሁኑን ነገር በእንግሊዝ በአማርኛው ዲስከስ እናደርገው። ዲኮምፖዚሽን ሪአክሽን ማለት አንድ ነገር አንድ የሆነ ውህድ ወይም ኮምፓውንድ በሙቀት ሊሆን ይችላል፣ በኤሌክትሪሲቲ ሊሆን ይችላል፣ በተለያየ መንገድ በካታሊስ ሊሆን ይችላል አማካይነት ወደ ሁለት ወይም ከሁለት በላይ የሆኑ ነገሮች መከፋፈል ወይም መሰባበር ማለት ነው፣ መስበር። ኦኬ፣ ያ ዲኮምፖዚሽን ይባላል። ለምሳሌ ሜርኩሪ ቱ ኦክሳይድ የሚባለው H2O ሂት ስናደርገው ወደ ሜርኩሪ ሜታል እና ወደ ኦክሲጅን ይሰባበራል፣ ይከፋፈላል ማለት ነው። ፖታሲየም ክሎራይድ የሚባል የጨው አይነት ነው። አሁንም ሂት ስናደርገው ወደ ፖታሲየም ክሎራይድ የሚባል ሌላ ጨው አይነትና ወደ ኦክሲጅን ይከፋፈላል ማለት ነው። እነዚህ እንግዲህ የዲኮምፖዚሽን ሪአክሽን ምሳሌዎች ናቸው። ብዙ አይነት ዲኮምፖዚሽን ሪአክሽን ይከናወናል በተፈጥሮ እንዲሁም በሰው ሰራሽ መንገድ ማለት ነው። ኦኬ፣ ኤክስፐሪመንት 1.2 ኢንቨስቲጌሽን ኦፍ ዲኮምፖዚሽን ሪአክሽን። የዲኮምፖዚሽን ሪአክሽን ኢንቨስቲጌት መመርመር ማለት ነው። ለምሳሌ ኮፐር ቱ ካርቦኔት ዲኮምፖዝ ያደርግ ማለት ነው። በዚህን ጊዜ የሚያስፈልጉ ነገሮች ቴስት ቲዩብ ያስፈልገናል። ስታንድ ማለት ቴስት ቲዩቡን ደግፎ የሚይዝ አስሮ የሚይዝ ማለት ነው። በርነር ማንደጃ ማለት ነው። በንሰን በርነር ወይም ፍሌም ነው፣ ተቀጣጣይ ነገር ነው፣ ይነዳል። እና ኮርክ ማለት የቴስት ቲዩቡ ማፈኛ ነው፣ ቀዳዳ ያለው ነው። ኮርኩ ጋራ ምን አለ? ዴሊቨሬቲቭ ሚንስ ጋዙ ይሄ ኬሚካል ይሄ ኮፐር ካርቦኔት የሚባለው ኬሚካል በሙቀት አማካይነት ሲፈራረስ ምን ይፈጠራል? ጋዝ ይፈጠራል። ያ ጋዝ በጋዝ ማስተላለፊያ ቲዩብ ውስጥ ያልፍና ወደዚህ ላይም ሞተር ወደሚባል ሌላ ቴስት ቲዩብ ውስጥ ይገባል ማለት ነው። እና በዚህን ጊዜ ውህድ ያደርግና ከዚህ ላይም ሞተር የሚባለው ከለር የሌለው ውሃ የሚመስል የካልሲየም ሃይድሮክሳይድ ሶሉሽን ነው። ካርቦን ዳይኦክሳይድ ጋዝ መጥቶ እዚህ ጋር ሲጨመር ግን ወደ ካልሲየም ካርቦኔትነትና ወደ ውሃ ስለሚቀየር ካልሲየም ካርቦኔት የሚባለው ሚልኪ ወይንም ወተታማ የሆነ ጨው ይፈጥራል ማለት ነው። ይሄን ነው የሚመስለው። እንግዲህ ሪአክሽኑ ኦብዘርቬሽን የምታዩትን ነገር በዚህ መልኩ ልትተረጉሙት ወይም ልትረዱት ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። አሁን በምላችሁ questions and answers ነው። what was the color of copper to carbonate before heating ነው የሚለው ላይት ብሉ ነው። እንደዚህ መሰል ያደርጋል። ላይት ብሉ ቀለል ያለ ሰማያዊ ማለት ነው። በጣም ዲፕ ያልሆነ በጠቆር ያላለ ማለት ነው። what was the color after heating and then cooling በጣም ካሞቅነው በኋላና ስናቀዘቅዘው ይሄ ነገር ወደ ምን ይቀየራል? ወደ ጥቁር ነገር። ጥቁሩ ነገር ማለት ኮፐር ቱ ኦክሳይድ ማለት ነው። ይሄ ወደ ኮፐር ቱ ኦክሳይድ እና ወደ ካርቦን ዳይኦክሳይድ ሲሰባበር ወደ ጥቁርነት ይቀየራል። ጥቁሩ ማለት ነው ይሄ ኮፐር ቱ ኦክሳይድ ነው። ጋዙ ደግሞ እንዳልኳችሁ ወደ ላይ ሞተሩ ያልፍና ላይ ሞተሩን ቀለም ከቀለም አልባነት ወደ ነጭነት ይቀይረዋል ብያችኋለሁ ከላይ። ያ what change did you observe in the ላይ ሞተሩ ከለር አልባ ነበረ ወደ ሚልኪ ከለር ተቀይሯል። ለምን? ይሄ ካልሲየም ካርቦኔት የሚባል ኮምፓውንድ ስለተፈጠረ ማለት ነው። እና ኬሚካል ሪአክሽኑ በመልኩ ይጻፋል። ይሄ ነው ኬሚካል ሪአክሽኑ። ካልሲየም ኮፐር ቱ ካርቦኔት በሙቀት አማካኝነት ሲፈራረስ ወደ ኮፐር ቱ ኦክሳይድ እና ወደ ካርቦን ዳይኦክሳይድ ይፈራርሳል። ከዛ ካልሲየም ሃይድሮክሳይድ ከዚህ ከተገኘው ካርቦን ዳይኦክሳይድ ጋዝ ጋር ሲዋሃድ ማለት ነው ወደ ሚልኪ ወይም ዋይት ፕሬሲፒቴት ሚልኪ የሆነ ነገር እና ውሃ ይፈጠራል ማለት ነው። ይሄ ይመስላል የዛሬው ትምህርት። ጥያቄ ካላችሁ መጠየቅ ትችላላችሁ፣ ኮሜንት ላይ አስቀምጡት። ኦኬ ላይክ አድርጉ ከወደዳችሁት ማለት ነው። ሼር አድርጉ ለሌሎችም እንዲደርስ ማለት ነው። ኦኬ ለሚቀጥለው ክፍለ ጊዜ በሰላም እንገናኝ። What you observed in the above experiments are the decomposition of copper to carbonate into black substance, copper to oxide and carbon dioxide gas. When carbon dioxide gas is passed through delivery tube into colorless solution of calcium hydroxide, the colorless solution turns milky. That is due to the formation of calcium carbonate. Okay, the next experiment we are going to observe is decomposition of hydrogen peroxide. Okay, hydrogen peroxide will be decomposed slowly without catalyst, and if it is supported with catalyst, for example catalyst potassium iodide or manganese peroxide, it will be faster decomposition. The decomposition will be faster, and the decomposition products totally will be the oxygen gas and water. Look at the following experiment. Yes, I'm going to demonstrate the decomposition of hydrogen peroxide. When hydrogen peroxide is just exposed to air, it will be decomposed slowly into oxygen gas and water. This is potassium iodide. With the help of potassium iodide or manganese peroxide, the decomposition of hydrogen peroxide will be fast. Okay, therefore how can it be just undergoing decomposition reaction with the help of this potassium iodide salt? Will be just demonstrated for you. You will see it. Okay. Okay, now this is test tube black and the test tubes are found. Of course, as we will see with the help of this is smaller beaker which is used for testing purpose. This beaker, of course. Okay. let me show you. This is detergent, liquid soap. Okay, let me just add certain amount of hydrogen peroxide into beakers, and I will show you the decomposition how it can be taking place. Okay. This is just hydrogen peroxide. Okay. That's two beakers, smaller beakers. Hydrogen peroxide is added, and what am I going to add is here with one beaker, with second beaker, one beaker. Just let me add soap, which is detergent. Okay. Then what you are just going to observe here, stirring it, just mix it together. Hydrogen peroxide with liquid detergent. This hydrogen oxide alone. Therefore, what type of reaction will be taking place? Or because hydrogen peroxide by itself it is going to decompose in air even, okay, when it is exposed. But the decomposition is not fast, okay, it is slow decomposition. But when potassium iodide or the catalyst, of course this is a potassium iodide, means it's a catalyst used to facilitate the decomposition process, okay. But the decomposition process in this free hydrogen peroxide will be so fast. But when it is containing some liquid soap or detergent, the reaction will be somewhat slower, but shows some amazing scene. You will see it. Okay. Therefore, here look at it. What type of reaction will be taking place? You see fast decomposition. This is a gas evolved out. Gas produced with this decomposition process is oxygen gas, and the liquid content is water. Whereas here you see the reaction is not fast as such, but what it looks like, just look it. You see? So much amazing and fantastic. The decomposition that the oxygen produces makes it the flame. That is fantastic scene. Okay, therefore, this is just what decomposition reaction taking place. Totally, the idea is decomposition of hydrogen peroxide with the help of catalyst, potassium iodide. In both cases, one is containing liquid detergent. The reaction is exothermic. If you are able to touch it, this one is very hot. The beakers are very hot now because the reaction produces heat energy, great amount of heat energy. This is exothermic type of reaction. Okay, this is just a reaction or the observation, demonstration for this period, for this class, okay? That means decomposition, how it can be taken place. Decomposition means a single substance will be decomposed into some other new substances, simpler substances, okay? That means the hydrogen peroxide is decomposed into two different types of substances called water and oxygen. As you see the equation, the theoretical part, you can observe and right here. Okay, this is decomposition reaction. Composition of what? Hydrogen peroxide, H2O2. That means O2 with the help of a catalyst known as potassium iodide gives Okay, therefore this one's you see, as you can see, composition of hydrogen peroxide you observed with the help of potassium iodide catalysts. Okay, the catalyst helps to just enhance or increase the speed of decomposition process of hydrogen peroxide into O2, oxygen, and H2O. This was just you observed here the decomposition reaction. Okay.